Good day, everyone. I want to show you how you can create a training site for yourself and how it works. So you go for EPC365.com and then click on Web Office. When you are in Web Office, there is a SharePoint here. You click on SharePoint, and here you say create a site. When you are creating a site, you click on the communication site. There are different templates here, for example, for human resource, but we go for Learning Central. So for the Learning Central is something like this, and we will name this, for example, if I want to create a for Sarah, for training course of Sarah, we say next, and it is in English, and we create the site. So when we create the site, there are different template there, and we have to change it and to make it with what we have. So here is Sarah. She can put her name here, her picture here. You know, when you click here, you go site information or site change the look. And when you go to check through, you go to the header, and here you put the photo of Sarah, etc. But the things here that when you see there are the different things here. So in order to change this, you click on this, and it doesn't work. So it is something that we have to configure it. So in order to that, we edit this. So when you're editing this, when you click on this, and then there is something like this comes, and this is to change the things which are here. For example, this one never stop learning. You click on this one, and here the page is this. So, for example, you want to change these things. For example, you change the photo of this, and you want to upload a file, and for example, you take it from a picture somewhere, or for example, you go to Adobe Digital and Training, you want to put the logo of the company. Other digital training. For example, here I do not have a picture, but let's go back to the picture. Sorry, I cannot find the picture. For example, if I go to Frederick and I want to put my photo there, for example, here we say open, and we say add things here. So if you see here, this my things that comes, and if I want to change also the link to that, for example, I can put here and this link, for example, is a review courses, and we put here the courses. I already took the basic courses of the Sarah, for example, here copy, and I go there, and I put this here, paste. So we say change, and here is from a link, and I put here paste. So this is add. So I put here the changes of this, and I put this publish. So if I put it here, you know, if I click here, I will go to basic English courses of Sarah, because I put this for her as a things. So I want again to change this. I don't want to put as this sample things here, and I go here, and here it was written here sample unit. You can put whatever text you want, learning, and you say okay, republish. So it will be a never stop learning, and it goes to this. Or for example, I can change this even for putting basic English, basic English. So if you come here, always these two, and then you go here, never stop learning, and instead of never stop learning, you want to change this to Sarah Basic English course, and then you save it or publish it. So Sarah Basic English course. Sarah is not me. She can put her face. And for changing this, again, edit. And when you click on this one, you go here, you click on this, and you come here, and you write, instead of leadership and this, you put here, for example, intermediate courses, copy, and then paste. And here there is a link that you want to put, change the link. And when you are coming to this page, from a link, and you put this link that I already took it from SharePoint, where it is located, and then I put it here. Okay, add. So by this way is publish. So you see here intermediate courses, and if I click on this one, I go to intermediate courses. So what we should remember, that in this one you can do whatever you want, and for this one also, when you edit, for example, you want to put here, find this, again you click on this one, and you go here, there are changes that you do. For example, you go here and you click on this one, and you say find courses, and then you put the link, and for example here they change the link, and here again you put the address, that for example here you put this address, for example this one for the community, or something like that. For the community is we can put here this, paste. So when you put here, so in order to find course, and you put here community, other community, and you say republish. So you see here, for example, when you click here, you come up to the ADEP community, and here in ADEP community, there are categories, and the categories, for example, if there is technical courses, or technical English courses. For example, here you put here and then put new discussion, and it already comes here. We can discuss other things. You can put here, for example, technical English quiz. I would like to know where the quiz of this course is. For example, if somebody wants to do this, you say save. So it was technical English quiz, and the people can go here, and they can put their answer, and you can write here. It is, for example, if I go to the online, if I go to adept.online, you say, okay, you go to adept.online, go to LMS, and put this page as a copy here. Yes. Yeah, for example, you say here, you can find, then you say, okay, here, if you click here, you can go to see, and with this one, you can enter with your login and getting out. I hope that these small courses was okay for you. So you have to go to the SharePoint and create a site. And when you say create a site, you create a communication site, and then inside change whatever you want with the links. Thank you and have a good day.